Yeah, but at least as a rich man, I sorted to my problems at the back of a fucking limo, wearing a $2,000 suit, in a $40,000 gold fucking watch. And if anyone in here thinks I'm fucking crazy, get the fuck out of here and get a job at McDonald's, because that's where you fucking belong. But before you depart this room full of winners, I want you to take a good look at the person standing next to you. Because in the not so long distant future, you're gonna pull up at a red light in your very, very, very old beat up Ford fucking Fiesta, and that person is gonna pull up in a brand new fucking Ferrari with his young beautiful wife sucking that dick. And with who will you be next to? I tell you who, a very, very ugly fat fucking bitch with a 3-day razor stubble in a horrible fucking dress, slammed in next to you with a buttload of fucking groceries from fucking Price Club. So you listen to me, and you listen to me very fucking carefully. Are you behind on your credit card bills? Good, pick up the fucking phone and start selling. Does your landlord threaten to hit you? Good. Pick up the fucking phone and start selling. That's your girl. Good, pick up the fucking phone and start selling. Because people, I want you to deal with your fucking problems by becoming rich. So do me a favor and get the fuck out of here and spend all your money, every single penny. Leverage yourself, back yourself into a fucking corner, and let the consequences of failure be so fucking unthinkable that you don't have any other choice but to do whatever it fucking takes to fucking win. You have an obligation here, people. To yourself, to your partners, to this fucking firm. So do me a favor and grab a steep man's fucking stock and shove it out your clients' fucking assholes until they buy 20,000 shares. Nah. 50,000 shares. No! A fucking 100,000 shares. Be ruthless. Be relentless. Be telephone fucking terrorists. And let's get this motherfucker out of the park.